In the timeless tapestry of agriculture, there exists a charming yet often underestimated thread: pigeon farming. Far removed from the conventional realms of livestock husbandry, pigeon farming has quietly woven itself into the fabric of sustainable agriculture and homesteading. Beyond their cooing melodies and fluttering grace, pigeons have proven to be valuable partners in fostering self-sufficiency. Let us delve into the captivating world of pigeon farming, where these seemingly delicate creatures play a surprisingly robust role. Pigeon farming, also known as pigeon keeping or pigeon breeding, involves the deliberate rearing of pigeons for various purposes. While many may associate pigeons solely with city squares and urban landscapes, they have a long history of domestication dating back centuries. The practice has evolved from mere companionship to a strategic agricultural pursuit. Pigeons are multifaceted creatures, contributing to agriculture in more ways than one. Farmers engage in pigeon farming for their meat, eggs, and even their nutrient-rich droppings, known as pigeon guano. The latter, a potent organic fertilizer, has become a sought-after asset for sustainable farming practices. Pigeons also serve as effective messengers and have been instrumental in communication during times of war. Diversity is the spice of life, and pigeon farming is no exception. Numerous pigeon breeds exist, each tailored to specific purposes. From utility breeds prized for meat production to ornamental breeds that showcase breathtaking plumage, selecting the right pigeon breed is a crucial aspect of successful pigeon farming. Creating a conducive environment for pigeons is essential for their well-being and productivity. Pigeon lofts, resembling miniature avian mansions, provide shelter and nesting spaces. A proper diet, consisting of grains and seeds, ensures their nutritional needs are met. Regular health checks and disease prevention measures are imperative to maintain a thriving pigeon flock. In the pursuit of sustainable and holistic farming, pigeon farming stands as a testament to the remarkable ways in which harmonious partnerships with nature can yield bountiful rewards. So, the next time you witness a pigeon's gentle descent, consider the myriad roles they play in the grand tapestry of farming, a tapestry woven not just with threads of tradition, but with the delicate wings of our feathered allies. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.